I mean, 2019 has just started, but we have created already a large number of fantastic new products to be coming in the next couple of months. First of all, we're starting with a new entry series laser projector, 20,000 hours of lifetime for the light source, but in a very compact, small cabinet size with a unique lens setting, 1.09 throw ratio with a 1.6 zoom. That is really ideally fitted for making large pictures into small meeting rooms, corporate meeting environments, education, seminar spaces. That is really a fantastic product, the VMZ50 series. We have a new one-chip DLP, the RQ100, which is a 10,000 lumen 4K resolution one-chip DLP, which is using pixel shift technology to create a UHD resolution on screen, but with an affordable budget compared to the previous 3-chip DLPs. Yeah, on the projector side of things, we have also our new flagship model, the RQ50, which is the world's first 50,000 lumen native 4K laser projector in an all-in-one solution. So it doesn't have an external cooler or signal processing. It's all-in-one solution, and we're facing more and more demand from the creative people to do new things, to do it in a new way. And this is why we created a couple of new lenses, zero offset lenses with L shape using mirrors inside, that enables people to make on a short distance a floor to ceiling projection without people casting a shadow onto the screen when they get close to the content. And that's what it's all about, new exciting applications. The best thing we've got on our stand is of course the 50,000 lumen projector together with the new lenses. As I said, the creative people, they're requiring new solutions to make things in a different way. In the future we will see resolution even going up again, 4K resolution and higher. We will see higher brightnesses coming, and the laser light source enables also to move from temporary event installation into more permanent installation, 3D mapping spectaculars in permanent installations. That is what we are going to see more in the future. It increases the number of opportunities, what you can present in the next 3, 4, 5 years to the visitors of events, to the visitors of exhibitions, museums, etc., etc. So we have a lot of new opportunities to show to the people and make them engaged and excited.